so in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how you trim up my chicken thighs. Chicken thighs are meat that I want to use with teriyaki. It's very tender, has a lot of fat content, and it's gonna get your chicken just right. All right, so now you can see the finished product, what it looks like, cleaned up. The reason why I cleaned this up, and just so you know, a real quick tip, you know, when you're smoking or barbecuing, this meat typically on the thighs starts to burn up like crazy and create a bunch of flare up if you're just barbecuing. Also, as you can see, all the leftover skin, that's the skin that pretty much burns up on the grill and causes those massive flare ups. If you guys get them, that's another good reason why I do that. All right guys, so what we got going on here is we're gonna put a rub on the bottom side because that's where I want all the juices to congregate. Let's see here. Well, not all the juices, but you know what I mean, right? So we're gonna go for my fantastic rub that I made. I'm actually running out. It's my coffee-based one. I mean this here. As you can see, my skin is starting to flip up, but that's good. That's exactly what I'm looking for. I'm gonna get this here and move this off to the side here. Do the same thing for this one. We're gonna tighten up the skin. There we go. Move this off. Tighten this bad boy up. You can see it. Up. And put this in. Here we go, I dump this in the water. And naturally, the air gets pushed out. You don't want to put the whole thing in the water. My Ziploc bag up. All the way, as close as I can to the end. Now you see, it's nice and tight. All right, so we finally came to the temperature of 150 degrees and at 230. So as you can see, woo, I'm gonna go ahead and drop this bag in here. Oh, I don't need any weights for this because the chicken is pretty heavy. Here, close the lid right on it. And there it is, 150. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this bad boy out. All the juices have not escaped. I'm gonna give you one shot of this right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and reach into this bag, and as you